Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to open youtube.com in Google Chrome using command prompt. The first thing you're going to do is open command prompt as an administrator. So go to search and type in command prompt. Select run as administrator. If you get a pop-up, click yes. Now type start, S-T-A-R-T, space, Chrome, C-H-R-O-M-E, space, HTTP, ://YouTube, youtube.com, and press enter. As you can see, as soon as I do that, it opens Chrome and it opens it to youtube.com. So that is how you open youtube.com in Google Chrome using command prompt. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.